கௌஷிகா வந்து பேச வருகிறார்.
Good morning everyone. My name is Kaushika. Respected principal, teachers and my dear friends. My name is Kaushika. I am studying third standard. I am going to speak about freedom fighter Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. I am wishing to all Indian a very happy Independence Day. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose was one of the great leaders of India. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose was born on 23rd January 1987 in Cuttack, Orissa. He is famous by the name of Netaji, brilliant student. Subhash Chandra Bose also participated in civil disobedience movement. He was also member of the Indian Congress.